YouTube? D4G here. What up, YouTube? D4G here, banging out another video. Today I'm bringing y'all my 7 most complimented fragrances of 2022. The year's almost up, so you know we gotta do a year recap. It's been a pretty good year so far. I can't complain, man. And y'all helped me out a lot with that. I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all. Shout out to y'all, man. So before we get started, man, if you're new, welcome. Over here on this side of YouTube, we talk about FFL. Football, fragrance, lifestyle. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure to check the subscribe button, as well as the bell notification so that you can be updated anytime we drop this content. And to all my OG subscribers out there, salute, fam. Hope everything is good with you, man. So before we even get started, I gotta tell y'all one more thing. Jaden wanted me to tell all y'all hi, man. He wanted me to tell y'all what's up, so I gotta make sure I get that in there. But with all that being said, man, let's talk about these 7 fragrances real quick. They're all very different. They're kind of all over the board, but these are the ones that got me the most compliments for certain reasons. Some of them, a main fragrance that I would like to wear going to the bar by myself. You know, just going to have a drink by myself. Some of the other ones, I was out with Jay and get right on them one time. So I tick. You know how it is. You gotta spray yourself up, make sure you smelling good and looking good. Y'all know the motto. If you new and you don't know the motto yet, just know, look good, smell good, feel good. That's the motto right there. And every time I got a compliment with one of these, the motto was in full effect. Let's go over the first fragrance. Coming in at that number 7 spot, from the house of Al Harman, we have Amber Oud Gold Edition. Bergamot, green notes, melon, sweet fruit, pineapple, amber, musk, vanilla, and woody notes. Very nice presentation, man. You gotta love these boxes, man. You got to love these boxes. But as far as the juice go, you gotta love the juice too, because that's what we buy it for. Up top, man, you're gonna get a lot of melon. This is a sweet, shit, that be good. This is a sweet, musky, slightly amberish style fragrance. The melon and sweet fruits is gonna be heavy up top, and then as this works its way through the dry down, you do got that musk. Y'all remember this one. This was, if you've been following my channel for a while, you remember when I went to Vegas for the first time this year, and I had we had our Bible study service in Vegas, and yeah, man, it was pretty dope. This one was good while I was out there. This one got me a lot of compliments while I was out there. But even just throughout the year as I was wearing it, this one was one that a lot of ladies was feeling. Now I will say this, because I do pay attention to the compliments. A lot of the ladies that was giving me compliments with this they was around that 40, 45 and up type of range. Do with that as you will. I don't complain. I don't mind an older woman. But just know, hey, it's a good one. Amber Oud Gold Edition, coming in at that number 7 spot. Can't go wrong. Now coming in at that number 6 spot, this is gonna be the fragrance that I wore when I would go to the bar late nights. And not a huge, mass appealing fragrance, bringing y'all All You Need Is Love by Armand. The Aqua di Gio Absolute clone, or twist, you know how they do it. C notes, lemon, mandarin orange, orange blossom, lavender, sage, geranium, tonka bean, vetiver, patchouli, vanilla, and some cedar. All you need to know is C notes, citruses, lavender. Just think about those 3 the whole time. You'll be good. But that's exactly what you get, man. A very nice twist, clone, atomizer. My gosh. But yeah, man, this was nice. When I do go to the bars late nights after work sometimes, just to have me a little casual drink, maybe catch the football game or something like that. This was normally the fragrance that after I would shower and head to the bar, I would throw this one on. I don't know why. This somehow, after the first time I wore it and I got a compliment from a lady, me and her was just talking at the bar, just casual talk, watching the game. This then became my staple for like late night bar runs. Just put it like that. Melon, C notes, lavender, dope pickup. And then it's under that B.O.B. price as well. So yeah, this is good, man. I rocks with this heavy. And I've worn this, since I've gotten this, I've worn this every season. There has yet to been a season that popped up to where I was like, oh no, I don't want to wear it. It's too hot for that one, or it's too cold. It's not cold enough. This one I just spray on and go. And I get the same results basically every time I wear it. All You Need Is Love by Armand is coming in at that number 6 spot. Now this next one is definitely a heavy hitter coming from the house of Acquadigio, and this is the one that whenever I have something special going on, not even special, just something going on, and I will rock this one, yeah boy, you know how it was, man. If you have this one, you already know the results and the outcome that you get from it. Acquadigio Profondo. C notes, Aquazone, Bergamot, Green Mandarin, Rosemary, Cypress, Lavender, Mystic, Mineral Notes, Musk, Patchouli, and Amber. Bam! C notes, Green Mandarin, Lavender. Ooh, pressurized atomizer. This is a beautiful, mass appealing masterpiece of a fragrance. This one is very, very nice. Now, I don't think that this one made any trips this year when I was going out and about traveling. I don't think that this one made any trips. Very nice, very easy for people around you to enjoy as well as you enjoy. Coming in at that number 5 spot, Acquadigio Profondo. Now, next fragrance on the list is gonna be coming from the house of Lattafa, and we're talking about Kashabi by Lattafa. Lemon, bergamot, rose, jasmine, white flowers, woodsy notes, and musk. I don't know what it is about this fragrance. I don't know if it's the woodsy notes aspect or the floral notes. This is just a very easy fragrance to wear. If you're one of those people that like Lacoste Blanc, picture that, but with a little bit more of a woody sense to it. Nah, a lot more of a woody sense to it. This one is filled with woods, but it has a floral tone to it. And when it dries down, the floral notes comes out heavy. Now you're gonna get a lot more out of wood than anything. So it's definitely gonna be about 60% woodsy notes, and then the 40% once it's dry down, the rest of it, you're gonna get those floral notes that come out. The rose, the jasmine, those are two of the main notes that you're gonna get when it hits the dry down. But it's not a floral note. It's not that high on, it's not dominantly floral. This is mostly a woodsy note, woodsy fragrance. And this is a banger. B.O.B. special, but man, that bottle design. Ooh! Goodness gracious. Boy, look at that bottle. Number 4 spot, Kashabi. Now the number 3 fragrance is definitely gonna be the wrench in it's definitely gonna be the wild card one. This is the one that, for it to be a cheapie, I was surprised at how many compliments I get when I wear this. I'm talking about, and I just do simple things with this. Throw on going to Walmart, running errands, going to Target. Simple things, but this right here works for some reason. Nautica Voyage Heritage. Mint, rosemary, lavender, ginger, sandalwood, and guac wood. Damn, this one, oh, man. Bro, I don't know what it is about this one, man. I guess it's just the Nautica DNA, because Nautica, this one and Nautica Voyage, they both get huge compliments. Huge compliments for cheapies. It really is just a nice fragrance to wear. Easy to wear, easy going. You can really just grab and go with this one. Number 3 spot, Nautica Voyage Heritage. And then coming in at the number 2 spot from the house of Yves Saint Laurent. Y'all already know, man. YEDP. Apple, ginger, bergamot, sage, juniper berries, geranium, amberwood, tonka bean, cedar, vetiver, and olibanum. I could do one spray for y'all. Dark. Apple, bergamot, juniper berries, sage. Come on, man. Another one of those mass appealing fragrances. This one's very nice though, man. This one, y'all, I don't even have to say too much about this. Y'all know what this one is, man. I'm not even about to play no games with y'all. Put some respect on the name when you see it, because it don't gotta be talked about too much. YEDP, y'all know what this do. Stop playing. And then for my final fragrance, this one should not be coming as a surprise. This is from the house of Paco Rabanne, but this is not Invictus. I made sure to not put Invictus in there, even though that is definitely my most complimented fragrance of the year. Man, look, I don't want y'all to think there's no bias when it comes to that, because y'all know how I feel about Invictus. So I'm not even gonna I didn't even put that one in here. I didn't. But the one that is in here, y'all need to put some respect on this name too. Because if you know, you know. 1 million lucky. Coming in at the number 1 spot, my most complimented fragrance of 2022. Plum, ozonic notes, grapefruit, bergamot, hazelnut, honey, cedar, cashmere wood, jasmine, orange blossom, amberwood, patchouli, oak moss, and vetiver. Easily my most complimented fragrance, fam. That plum, ozonic notes, the honey, a little bit of that cedar in there, a nice patchouli in the dry down. Hey, yeah. This is easily my most complimented fragrance outside of Invicta. And this one is one of those that I would have to say that I have gotten more compliments from older women around that 40 and up range, but I've still gotten about the same amount of compliments from women my age and younger as well. I would like to say it's a nice 55-45 or 60-40 mix. We can do it like that, 60-40 mix. But this is nice, man. I don't even have to say too much about this one as well. Y'all already know about this fragrance. Discontinued gem, but you're still able to get it at a great price. I think you can still get a 100 ml for like less than 60-70 bucks. But if you're still trying to find this one, man, this is dope. And this is a tester bottle as well. It says tester on the back. You really can't see it too much, but this is a tester bottle, but you still got the full presentation like a regular bottle, so it's still the same. Lovely pickup, man. I enjoy this one. I rocks with this one heavy, man. Y'all know how I feel about Paco Rabanne. Number 1 spot, gotta go to 1 Million Lucky. Hey, you did your thing. You did your thing this year, man. I appreciate you. But that's gonna be my video right there, man. Let me know what y'all think down in the comment section, and let me know what were some of y'all most complimented fragrances of the year. Y'all have some similar to the ones? Did any of the ones that I have make y'all list? Or do y'all have other ones that made the list? Let me know. Drop them down in the comment section. You know I'm always eager to hear y'all thoughts and opinions. So drop them down and let me know what y'all think. But with all that being said, we about to get up out of here. I hope y'all have a great day. I hope y'all have a phenomenal day. Stay on your square. Stay on your purpose. Don't let nobody take you off of it. D4G, truly blessed. That's the greatness. We out.